Check out my wieners.
Nice, juicy, plump, and 100% all beef without any mystery meat fillers or crazy preservatives. I'm gonna show you how to make them. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I have here a beef chuck that I pulled out from my freezer. I'm gonna chunk it up so it fits into my grinder. Then I'll put this into the freezer while I get the spice mix ready. All the ingredients will be linked in the description box down below. Starting out with the largest grinding plate, I'm gonna grind this one time through here. Now it's very important to keep your meat cold. You want it to be under 35 degrees. Then put it back in the freezer while you switch to the smallest die. I'm gonna grind it through the smallest die twice. Now this is going to be the second grind. Now if your meat is properly chilled, you should get nice spaghetti looking threads. Again, it's very important to keep things cold. Now let's mix up our spices, add everything to a bowl of a stand mixer. If you have a food processor, go ahead, use that as well. While the meat and the spices are mixing, you want to slowly add in your ice water. This is going to help your spices bloom as well as keep everything nice and cold. We're looking for a really nice smooth paste with really good protein extraction. This is the texture I like. If you want to go even further for a smoother paste, go for it. What you're looking for is it to be nice and tacky and sticky. Again, make sure that your meat is very cold, 35 degrees or below. Put this into your sausage stuffer, make sure there's no air pockets. Today we're going to be using a cellulose casing, which is inedible, but it's what is going to give the hot dog its shape. Now, when stuffing these hot dogs, I do not want to fill the casing 100% all the way because it's going to give us a little bit of wiggle room for when we link up our hot dogs. It's going to force all the meat together and form a really nice, tightly bonded hot dog. All you have to do now is repeat the process. Now with this second link, I should have twisted it the other way. I don't know, I wasn't thinking about it. But you need to alternate twisting directions with each link so they don't untwist. Now once you finish all that, put this into the refrigerator overnight and let the cure and the spices work their magic. Now the next morning I put them all in vacuum sealed bags because I'm going to be cooking this at 142 degrees in sous vide for 2 hours. Now if you don't have a sous vide machine, gently poach this on the stove top, but make sure that your water does not exceed 150 degrees. You don't want the emulsion to break. After they're done cooking into an ice bath, they go until they're completely chilled. Now to remove the casings, it's very simple. Snip in between and they slide out. Now this little fat here, don't worry about it. I gave all my hot dogs a rinse in warm water to get rid of that. Now they're ready to be cooked any way that you like. I like to do it on the stove top with a little bit of water until the water evaporates, gets them nice and plump and warmed all the way through. Then I like to saute it a bit with a little touch of oil to get nice crispy Maillard effect going on. And now you can top your hot dog any way you like. I got some Dijon mustard here, some ketchup, yes, ketchup, diced onions, and then I think I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of dill relish. Now again, top this any way that you want to. You are the master of these average size bun length wieners. And with this pyramid of dogs, you can vacuum seal them and put them in your freezer and they will store beautifully.
That's to try one. So here's my hot dog. Hey, it's my wiener, my choice. I put ketchup on it, all right? There are times that I don't put ketchup, but today, it's a ketchup kind of day. So, look at that. Got that nice there. Bun, nice Martin potato roll, relish, Dijon, onions. You know what? Cheers. That is a fantastic hot dog. So you see here, the emulsion is really good. When we cooked it, you didn't see hardly any fat leach out of here. So that means that everything is well emulsified, which is what a hot dog is. A hot dog is an emulsified sausage. So, and the pink curing salt gives it that nice classic hot dog color. And yeah, this tastes like a really, it's not like this tastes like a really good hot dog. This is a really good hot dog. Yes. Hell yes. Last bite. Let's make it a big one. All right, so going through all that trouble to make a hot dog, was it worth it? Absolutely. Would I do it all the time? Probably not 100% all the time, but you know, for the majority of the time. I'm gonna vacuum seal these and freeze these so I have them when I want, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Click like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.